Good evening, traders. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I am bringing up with a very simple strategy based on the initial balance. Initial balance is the range which is formed within our market tries to balance out within 1 hour of the opening day. So that is called as initial balance. So based on that, suppose if the market tries to break above the initial balance, that is 1 hour balance, the market will try to move higher. Suppose if it starts breaking below the 1 hour initial balance, market try to trend down. So by seeing the type of initial balance, if it is a very wide initial balance, you can guess the market will stay within the range. Otherwise, if the initial balance is low, small, you can anticipate for the breaking out or breaking down of the initial balance. So combining this initial balance with the order blocks, you can have a very profitable and very simple strategy. Nothing else. So I have found two indicators on the trading view. Go to the trading view. If you type in initial balance, automatically this person has coded for that. So I've already applied this initial balance. In the previous video, I've made a video for RSI order blocks. The order blocks which is configured with the help of RSI, Relative Strength Index, to bring in more confirmation for our trade. So I have applied these two indicators, initial balance and RSI order block. So if I enable this indicator, automatically it takes the range. So usually first 15-minute candle range it has taken. You can see when the market starts, you can see clearly on your eyes. If the market, you will not go wrong. And an order block is also plotted over here, indicating that the direction of the market is towards the downside. With the help of this is the initial balance. It has plotted the range for the first hour and two levels of levels to the upside and two levels downside. It automatically coded for the two ranges have been coded for in this indicator. This is nothing but that is a measured move, one box measured move to the upside and one box below the measured move to the downside. So the levels have been plotted and even the price levels are also marked in this indicator. Here, what happened, I have on the chart of Cipla, previous day, you can see there is an order block, sell order block in the market. And previous day, it has rallied up to this. And today, it opened a bearish candle, forming a range. Then, when it started not going above this range, initial balance range, market started going down. With the help of the order block, these are all the bearish order blocks. That means seller's order block. You can guess the market can go down and you could have taken the trade. This is breaking below the range. 1:1 measured move. It has shown, Cipla has shown in the market. Let us check another stock, any other random stock. You can see how you could have taken trade. This is the initial balance plotted over here. and this was the range. After 1 hour, market tried to, it broke below the range and hit the next level, but it started trading up to the middle point of the range. There, it plotted an order block, sell order block, so which acts as a guidance for you people not to go long, and you could have taken a sell trade from this here. This is a very simple strategy. It can be very, very helpful and profitable. You can apply and you can become profitable, and it helps you to identify trends either to the upside or to the downside. There is only one stock. You can see the open range. Initial balance is too high. So, and it is, the price is hitting the near the previous order block. Clearly, order block has been plotted over here. That means sellers are dominated over here. It cautions you not to go further. Suppose some people will enter into the market very late by seeing this bullish candle, they will get trapped. Though it is order blocks are cautioning you, and since it was a wide initial balance, the market price stayed within this range in Grasim Industries. Like this, you can utilize and you can trade. Suppose let us go to the Sensex indices. Sensex, you can see it is plotting the initial balance. You can see when from the first candle, the order block from the previous day itself, it has plotted the order block, and overhead order block is over here. Sell zones are clearly mentioned in the chart with the help of the RSI order blocks, and you could have comfortably taken sell trade, not bothering about these intermittent green candles. People do mistakes by seeing the green candles. When it started breaking below the this initial balance range, this was the range. You can see it was a narrow range and it gave to 1:3. See, price started reacting from this, exactly from this zone, that is an bullish order block presented in the market. Historically, it was there. That's why price started reacting in that zone. So this is how you can take a trade with the help of these two indicators, initial balance as well as RSI order blocks. Let us check the Nifty, how you could have taken trade. Even the Nifty also, you can see an order block over here, and it led to the break of the initial balance low. Initial balance low it has marked, and it broke below that. There was a continuous down move. You can see there was a bullish order block present over here, because on the left side, market has rallied from that level. That's why this order block has been plotted. There was a rejection around this area. You can see rejection candle. So around 230, 245, the market stopped its down move and it is started recovering. Short covering has taken place for that. From 22,993, market rallied to 23,092. So this is how you can utilize the order blocks. What happens to the order blocks once these prices penetrates below these order blocks? This will get vanished. These order blocks will be taken off because they will be mitigated. So once they get mitigated, the price will travel to next order block. You can clearly see the next order block support is for Nifty is around 22,830. Then immediate resistance, you can see an order block plotted over here, 23,387. Tomorrow, you have to see how the initial range, that is, first our range is formed, whether the price is going to break above the range or whether it is going to break below the range. You can comfortably plan your trades, leisurely plan your trades without any hassles. Thank you very much, friends. This is a very simple strategy you can utilize for your profitable trades. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.